Hey there. I'm back at you. Mark Anthony Drew, Mark Drew Speaks, bringing you another poll. What the poll say? I am that I am. Poll says, ding. I like those numbers. Because we're getting metaphysical today, baby. Metaphysical. I love this stuff. I am that I am. Such a beautiful gem. Got that one from the Bible. That's right, it's in there. It's in that book. Where can you find it? Exodus pie. Write it down. Exodus pie. Like, what do you mean pie? No, you don't eat this pie. We're talking mathematics here. P-I. We only need to take it to 2 digits in this case. 3.14. Check it out. Because we're talking about circles. We're talking about reflections. Have you looked in the mirror lately? Why don't you go grab one after this video and you go say, I am that I am. Because what you believe you are, you are. That's right. You are your beliefs. And that's the whole seeing isn't believing. Believing is seeing. We can only see what we believe. So if you don't believe you have potential, if you don't believe you can achieve your dream, if you don't believe that you are amazing, then you're never going to see that. I believe it. That's why I see it. If I've passed you in the streets, I've given it to you because I see it. And I see it because I believe it. And I believe it because I know it. Oh, we're getting somewhere now. But 3.14. It's a circular reference. And I'll give you the backstory. That's the part in the book where Moses goes up on the mountainside. And he's asking God for his name. And God's response is, I am that I am. I am. That's unlimited. That's everything. Because to put anything other than I am that I am would be a limit. And we do that all the time. We limit ourselves with our races. We limit ourselves with our nationalities. We limit ourselves with our genders. We're just constantly putting limitations on ourselves, our political parties. And we put all these limitations that are also known as labels on ourselves, and this is all I can do in this label. I was born in poverty and that's what I'll be. No! I am that I am. Get your I am. It's out there. It's in you. So you have to retransform. We're making up words now. We need to reconfigure our beliefs. And that was the purpose of the poll. Just to give me a platform to say, hey, believe in yourself, man. You say you know I am that I am, well then start practicing it. Yes, we have to practice this stuff. All right? Remember who you are. You're an amazing being, born from a seed, bound to grow. Just keep learning and living and be. That's your job. Okay? It's my word to you. Getting out of here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below if you haven't done so already. Check out a few more videos. Follow me on the Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. And hey, believe in yourself and mind your I ams. Please mind your I ams. I am not tired. I am full of life.